Meditation is simpler and harder than most people think. Read the following instructions, make sure you're in a comfortable setting, set a timer, and try it. 1. Take a seat. Find a nice quiet place to sit that feels comfortable to you. 2. Set a time limit. A brief period, such as 5 or 10 minutes, can be helpful if you're just starting out. 3. Notice your body. You are welcome to kneel, cross your legs loosely, or sit in a chair with your feet on the floor. Just make sure you are stable and in a position you can stay in for a while. 4. Feel your breath. Pay attention to how your breath feels as it enters and leaves your body. 5. Notice when your mind has wandered. Inevitably, your attention will leave the breath and wander to other places. When you get around to noticing that your mind has wandered, in a few seconds, a minute, 5 minutes, simply return your attention to the breath. 6. Be gentle to your wandering mind. Don't judge yourself or obsess over the content of the thoughts you find yourself lost in. Just come back. 7. Close with kindness. Lift your gaze gently when you're ready, open your eyes if they're closed. Spend a moment listening to the surroundings for any sounds. Notice how your body feels right now. Notice your thoughts and emotions. That's it. That's the practice. You concentrate, your thoughts stray, you bring them back, and you try to do it as gently as you can, as many times as necessary.